Hi, we're Let's Go Now Adventures. In today's video, we'll be offering 5 tips to help your camping meals.
It's a beautiful day. We are so excited to have you here with us. The sun is just coming up. I'm so excited. There's so many fun things we're going to do. So today we're going to be cooking outside the entire Thanksgiving dinner. Thanks for joining us. Plate. Oops, a plate. And here's a cup. Here is, thank you, and there's one for Nikki. So, tip number 1, make it simple. And that's why we have paper plates and paper napkins. You know, it takes so much time to get the dinner ready. You want to get it ready, eat, and enjoy your family, and then make cleanup a snap.
There you go. There you go. Thank you. Oh, yeah.
Okay, you guys, so tip number 2 would be try to do as much prep that you can when you're home. It'll make the whole process when you get up camping that much easier, because the most important thing to do is, of course, make a nice dinner, but enjoy the time that you have with your loved ones. And I'm so lucky to have both my moms here.
Thank you for, you and Mom were the reason that I ended up getting into camping. Camping so much so that we have the YouTube channel where we're sharing that same love that you've given me to everybody else. So thank you very much. Bring it in.
Wonderful.
Okay, so tip number 3 is delegating. You know, it's so important when you're trying to do a great big meal that everybody pitches in and helps. You know, whether it's a potluck and everybody brings something, or when everybody gets here, everybody has a job. Not only do they feel a little bit more included, but then it makes it not so big on any one person, and you can actually enjoy the whole process. So we're having a good time today, aren't we? Sammy's doing the mashed potatoes. Okay, so we're making our potatoes, and yeah, this could probably go a lot faster, but sometimes it's just about enjoying the process. Are you having fun?
Yes. Excuse me.
Okay, so tip number 4 is do a little bit of pre-planning before you go on your camping adventure. You know, bring some games up. One thing, my family loves games, and card games is definitely a hit. In fact, we can play for hours. Oh, Dad!
So what I'm going to be doing now is we're going to be making that, this is my favorite part of Thanksgiving, a cranberry jalapeno sauce. This takes the traditional cranberry sauce to a new level. Look at the color in that. You've got the bright red of those cranberries with the dark green of the jalapenos. We're going to add the sugar, and now here comes the work. So the trick to cranberry sauce is just stir and stir and stir.
Stirring.
job clean. Yay! Clap your hands. Yay!
So, tip number 5, and I think this is the most important. Just remember to relax and enjoy the day. You know, if you're out trying to cook a big dinner outside, it's a lot of work. And sometimes you get caught up and it's rush, rush, rush. But the most important thing is you're here, you're with the ones that you love. Enjoy them, enjoy the process. The last thing you want to do is be running around like a turkey with its head cut off.
Let's just go right down the middle.
So here we've got the pecan pie, we've got the mashed potatoes with cheese and onions, and oh, do they look magnificent. We've got the stuffing with sausage in it, and if you haven't had it with sausage before, it is yummy. And then over here on the end, we've got the garlic Parmesan rolls, which are to die for. And once again, I will leave the recipes to all of these down below.
You're about to unwrap this.
It's like opening a Christmas present.
So we'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch our video today. The question of the day is, what are you thankful for this year? So if you'd like to leave that comment in the section down below, we would love to hear.
And today I hope we have given you some tips or some tricks of how to make your camping experience just a little bit easier. You know, if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. We would also love to have you subscribe to our channel. You know, today we are so thankful for our family. We are so lucky to have gotten everybody together to have them help us make this outdoor camping meal. What a wonderful experience. So from our family to yours, happy Thanksgiving.
Happy
Bye-bye.
Thanksgiving.